Good afternoon, kapatids! And welcome again to our Bloom Podcast. Hope na enjoy nyo ang aming pilot episode and our second episode with Queen. So now, may bago ulit tayong sister that we will get to know more about her. So let's welcome our sister, Mika! Okay, Mika, share something about yourself.
Okay, so hello everyone. Wah, there's so formal. So about myself, so hi, I'm Mika. So mahabang name ko, so Mika na lang. And currently, I'm an entrepreneur and baby pa lang ako dito sa likod.
Wah, gano'n ka baby? Ganito?
Hindi pa ako naglala. So yun lang naman.
Okay. Province?
Province, taga Quezon. So sa mga taga Quezon dyan.
Ako yun.
Taga Quezon.
Alam mo ba yung adjo?
Ha?
Adjo.
No! Hindi mo alam. Okay, disclaimer. Lumaki ako sa Manila, pero
Okay, adjo is akyat. But anyway.
yeah. Kasi panaog yun siya. Ano panaog?
Okay. Okay, sige. Okay, thank you, Mika, for introducing yourself. So, question for you. First is, what are you looking forward to this household?
Okay, so what I'm looking forward to this household, actually tatlo yan. So yung first one, syempre, is deeper relationship with God. So isa yan sa talagang gusto kong maranasan ngayon. Since first time ko sa household, meeting sisters, we also glorify the Lord. So napakagandang community for me. And first time din, so I know this household would really help me deepen my faith, my relationship to God. And then second is, of course, to deepen the relationship naman with the sisters. So, yan. Although, syempre, parang, di ba, nung first time ko dito sa, kick-off pa lang, kala mo, 2 years na tayo magkakilala, di ba? Pero, syempre, in terms of, relationship, mas okay kasi na we know each other intimately. So, yun yung isa sa I'm praying for, that I really want to get to know everyone, each and everyone. At hindi lang yung mga sisters natin dito sa household. And of course, yung brothers and sisters din natin in Lipa.
Yes.
And then third one is, syempre kung may relationship din outside, ako din, parang in my relationship with myself din, though hindi man masyado, hindi self-centered in a way. So, iba na siya ngayon. So, more into refinement of oneself. So, in terms of values, in terms of attitude, yan. In terms of character, in terms of self-awareness, how I speak, diba? How I do things, how I serve. So, yan yung mga bagay na hopefully this household will really help me refine myself. Lalo yung pagbugas ng pinggan, mga ganyan. Mga ganyan.
Okay, so abangan natin. So, dapat pala, i-video natin pagbugas ng pinggan.
Before,
Okay,
after.
Okay, thank you, Mika. Next question. In your home, how are you as an ate and a daughter?
Ayan, sige. So, ate muna.
Okay.
So, kasi ako as an ate, actually, I've been bunso for 13 years kasi. So, ganun katagal ganun kalaking agwat namin ng bunso sa akin. Ngayon, syempre, the 13 years, ako talaga yung bunso. So, most of the time, kuya ko yung the one who's serving, ganyan. So, ako naman, since nagkaroon ng bunso, so, naging ate ako bigla after 13 years. So, yung parang, what? Dapat akong princess? Char!
Excited ka ba? Or ano yun na-feel mo?
Ako yung na-feel ko. Hindi, sa totoo lang, hiniling ko yung kapatid ko. Hiniling kita.
Wish friend.
Oo, kasi sabi ko lang dun sa parents ko na ano yung feeling ng merong younger sister or younger sibling. So, yun nga, buti nga girl yung binigay niya kasi nga, siguro kung lalaki yun, ewan ko, parang hindi ko alam. Pero yun, kasi yun, so as an ate, tapos naging buso for 13 years, iba pa, for me, iba yung siya. Kasi there are ates na really yung serving yung na-assist nila, diba, ganyan, talagang yung in terms of giving everything, assisting everything. Pero ako kasi, more on to advice, more on to guiding, more on to inspiring.
Yes.
Parang gano'n na, kaya mo yan, gano'n, affirmations and all. As advice, yung mga bagay na difficult in her, ako yung sa kanya. And of course, may service din naman kasi talaga, like serving her in a, ang tag sa gano'n, very touchy way. Kasi gano'n, like actions talaga.
So,
mga gano'n. So, wari ako yung lalaban ng damit niya. Mga ganyan, mga gano'ng something. So,
service, yung
service
love
din.
language mo.
For more emphasis siya into service. Ako naman is more into uplifting her. Ganun na. Oo. So, ganun ako as an ate. And
Words of affirmation.
Oo, mga ganun. More into advice, leading her, ganun. What's wrong, what's not. Ay, just. Ganun. Tapos, in terms of being a daughter naman, sa amin kasing magkakapatid, ako yung pansin nyo naman, ako yung pinakamadaldalo. So, ako yung pinaka-expressive talaga sa parents ko. Like, kumare, how I feel, I really say. So, for example, thank you, ma, or I love you, papa. Ganun talaga ako. Tapos, touchy, I hug them. Ganon, I kiss my mom, I kiss my dad. As in, ganon ako ka-expressive na, in a way na how I feel, I can say it, I can act to it. Tapos, more into service din. Kasi si mama, mas pansin ko, kasi kung ano yung what they appreciate, yun yung ginagawa ko. So, for example, si mama, favorite niya yung may siya favorite sa Starbucks yung cinnamon cinnamon Danish ng Starbucks. So, di ba, pasabo lang. So, so, I buy her every time na I feel like she's down or I feel like medyo sad siya. Yun, way of, expression ko is to serve them. So, ako na magbukas or ako na magluto. May mga ganong times na basta ganon, sa aming tatlo, ako yung expressive talaga in words and action. So, ganon ako.
Parang hindi kami doon sa. But anyway, for sure, so proud ng parents mo. Okay, sige. Next question. What is your perspective on the importance of relationship?
Relationship. Actually, for me, hindi lang siya bastang importante. Kasi, for me, it is, meaning of life.
Okay.
Actually, it's a meaning of life. And, kasi that is who we are eh. Parang we are really made, God really made us for relationship. So, if we do not do relationship with others or with the world or the environment, hindi human being yun eh. Parang ganon, we're built for a relationship talaga. Kasi, tayo pa lang eh, kay Lord, relationship na yun.
Yes.
So, what more to other people? So, I think it's not about importance, it's about who we really are. Relationship is one of that. So, building relationship is one of our meanings in life. So, for me, that's relationship. For me.
So deep.
Ganun siya.
Okay, next question.
Okay.
What is a defining moment in your life that shaped who you are today? Defining moment.
Defining moment talaga, no? Sige, yung recently na lang. Kasi siya talaga yung sa akin. Parang binaliktad talaga ni Lord yung buong buhay. Di ba, hindi naman buhay? As in,
Upside down?
as in yung
Okay.
perspective ko in everything. Kasi siguro ito yung way back 2021 kasi. Actually, 2020, yun. Nakaramdam kasi ako ng